Hello everybody, my name's Rico and welcome to my channel English with Rico. Today we're going to look at has been, have been and had been. We will look at some examples of the different uses and we will look how to use each form correctly. So let's go to the whiteboard.
3, 2, 1, go!
Have been and has been are both used in the present perfect tense. And with have been, we use plural nouns such as I have been, you have been, we have been, and they have been. Has been, we use singular or uncountable nouns such as he has been, she has been, it has been, or the weather has been. And when we use had been, we are speaking in the past perfect tense using any subject, singular and plural, such as I had been, he had been, she had been, or the children had been. Now let's look at the various forms and their uses. First we have the present perfect form. When we use the present perfect form, we have actions that started in the past and are still continuing, such as I have been in Thailand for 5 years. They have been married for 12 years. He has been waiting for 40 minutes. It has been snowing for 2 days. Then we have the past perfect form. And when using the past perfect form, we have actions that happened in the past and have already ended, such as he had been waiting for 40 minutes when the train arrived, and I had been teaching in Thailand for 7 years until I left to go to Vietnam. Then we have the passive voice form. When using the passive voice, we are speaking about a recent action, such as your packages have been delivered, or all the cookies have been eaten, and my car has been stolen. Lastly, we have the form of experiencing or visiting a place. We use this as a life experience, such as we have been to Thailand 3 times, or have you ever been to Vietnam? Yes, I have been there 2 times, and he has never been to Paris. Thank you everyone. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And then I shall see you in the next lesson. Bye.